So let's say that you're not interested in forwarding any calls that you receive to your physical phone. Let's say that you want to use the platform's own digital dialer. So instead of leaving the option here for forwarded answers call to my phone, you're going to go ahead and change it to answer and make calls inside digital dialer. As you can see, once you select that, it'll remove the forwarding phone option because you won't need it anymore. All you need to do is before you continue is click save call preferences, and that way now anything that you configure will use this method of answering calls, which basically means that instead of you receiving or getting the call forwarded to your physical phone, it'll pop up here on the actual platform and you can answer the call directly here on the platform. Now once you change this, if you scroll a little bit down to the bottom right here where it says digital phone, now every time that you receive a call or if you want to make a call, this area will activate, but it won't activate until you connect the line. So let's go ahead and connect the line. So remember previously that we went ahead and added our line that was going to forward to our physical phone. When you're going to forward a call to your physical phone, all you need is a label, the account SID, the alt token, and the Twilio number that you're going to use. In this case, because we're not going to forward a call, we're going to actually use the platform's own digital dialer. In this case, we need to fill in all the blanks. So the label is going to be whatever you want it to be. Maybe this is going to be, let's say, primary digital number, right? And then the account SID is going to be the same one as your account. The auth token is going to be the same one as your account. Your phone number, it's going to be the number you're going to use. And then you need to fill out the browser API key, the browser API key secret, and then a TwyML app SID. So let's go ahead and get these two first. So if you go over to your Twilio account and you go to this little section right here where it says admin up here right in the top right corner, click on that, and then you click on account management. That's going to send you to this page right here. You're actually going to land on your general settings. All you need to do is scroll down here where it says API keys and tokens, click on that, and it'll load up this page. Once you're at this page, all you need to do is create an API key, click on that, give it a second, and then give it a name. Let's say let's digital dialer test, and then you're going to leave the region as is, and then where it says key type, instead of restricted, you're going to say standard. Once you click on standard and click create, then it'll create your API key, as you can see, and you're going to have your SID right here. You copy that, and your API secret. You're going to copy this and add it back right here where they belong. One's going to go here, the other one's going to go here. Once you go ahead and add these two, then you need to create an app SID. But before we continue, just make sure you write down your API secret, because the API secret on the side of Twilio will only show it once at the very beginning, and if you don't copy it, you're going to lose it. So you're going to have to create a new API, just restart the whole process. So once you go ahead and do that, and if you click back, like so, then if you go to where it says phone numbers, and then you go to manage, and then Twilio apps, click on that, you're going to land on this page right here. And then all you need to do is click on create new Twilio app, and then give it a name. This can be any name you want. Like so. And then the request URL is going to be this one right here. So where it says add Twilio number, you're going to add this URL. And then you go back, you add that here. You leave this as post, that's fine. Then you click on create. It'll create the API. Then you just click on the title you just made, and then here's your Twilio app SID. Just copy this, go back, and that's the one that's going to go right here. So yeah, that's the way you go ahead and connect a line that's actually going to use the platform to receive the calls. It's not going to forward the calls anymore.